Are you ready for an adventure? We're going to launch a rocket. And guess what? You can do it right at home. It's easy and so much fun. We'll use simple things you can find around the house. Let's get building. This experiment is a blast, literally. But remember safety first. Always have an adult help you launch your rocket. Make sure you have plenty of open space outdoors. Ready? Let's get started. To build our rocket, we'll need a few things. It's important to gather all the materials before we start so we can work smoothly. Most of these things you can find at home. Look around your house for these common items. Ask an adult to help you find these supplies. It's always good to have a helping hand, especially when using tools. An empty plastic bottle. This will be our rocket body. Make sure it's clean and dry before we start. Cardboard. We'll use this for the fins and nose cone. You can use any sturdy cardboard like from a cereal box. Tape. We'll use this to hold everything together. Strong tape like duct tape or masking tape works best. Baking soda. This is our rocket fuel. It's a common kitchen ingredient that will help power our rocket. Vinegar. This helps our rocket blast off. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates the thrust. A cork that fits the bottle. This will be our launch pad. Make sure it fits snugly to keep the pressure inside. Once you have all these supplies, you're ready to start building your rocket. Let's get started. Now comes the fun part, building our rocket. Follow these easy steps. Make the nose cone. Cut a triangle out of cardboard and roll it into a cone shape. This will be the nose cone of your rocket, which helps it cut through the air more efficiently. Make sure the cone is tight and secure. Tape it to the top of the bottle. Use strong tape to ensure it stays in place during the launch. Add fins. Cut out some cardboard fins and tape them to the sides of the bottle. The fins will help stabilize your rocket during flight. Make sure they are evenly spaced. This ensures that the rocket flies straight and doesn't wobble. Prepare the fuel. Carefully pour some vinegar into the bottle. The vinegar will react with the baking soda to create the thrust needed for launch. About 1/4 full should do the trick. Too much vinegar can make the reaction too violent, so measure carefully. Wrap the baking soda. Put a spoonful of baking soda onto a piece of tissue paper and wrap it up like a little present. This will delay the reaction, giving you time to get to a safe distance. Don't let it fall into the vinegar yet. Hold it carefully above the bottle until you're ready to launch. This is the final step before the big moment. Okay, get ready for launch. Quickly but carefully, put the baking soda packet into the bottle and seal it tightly with the cork. Make sure the cork is snug and secure, because this is what will keep the pressure inside the bottle until it's ready to launch. This step is crucial for the success of our rocket launch. Now turn the bottle upside down and place it on a flat surface. This will allow the baking soda to mix with the vinegar, which is already inside the bottle. The reaction will start almost immediately, so be quick but careful. Stand back and watch your rocket soar. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar creates a lot of excitement, and you don't want to miss the moment it takes off. Make sure everyone is at a safe distance. Why did our rocket fly? It's all thanks to a chemical reaction. This reaction is not just fun to watch, but also a great way to learn about basic chemistry principles. When baking soda mixes with vinegar, it creates a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas is what causes the bubbling and fizzing you see. This gas builds up inside the bottle and needs to escape. The pressure from the gas increases until it forces its way out. The only way out is through the opening where the cork is. The pressure pushes the cork out, and this sudden release propels the rocket upwards. As the gas rushes out, it pushes the rocket upwards, making it blast off. This is a simple demonstration of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Science is so cool, right? Experiments like these show us how fun and exciting learning can be. It's amazing to see the principles of physics and chemistry in action. Now that you know the secret, try making different rocket designs and see how high they can go. Experiment with different amounts of baking soda and vinegar to see how it affects the launch. Share your rocket adventures with your friends and family. Take videos and photos to capture the excitement and share the fun with others. Remember, the sky's the limit. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with science.